Research has shown that student engagement in science in schools has been dropping, and as a result we're seeing less students choosing to study STEM-related fields at university and decreased scientific literacy in the community. So given the challenges that we're facing globally, it's really important now to excite students and engage them in science and learning science skills, now more than ever.
BioEYES is a science school outreach education program where students assume the role of mini scientists and work together with their peers to conduct an independently led science experiment using live zebrafish. In this process, students learn a wide range of biological concepts, including genetics, physiology, life cycles, and animal ethics. We use zebrafish because they are genetically similar to humans, and as they develop as embryos, they are transparent. Students are able to see amazing things like the very first cell divisions, the first heartbeats, and them hatching into free-swimming larvae.
BioEYES delivers hands-on and authentic learning experiences in science, and these experiences, teachers have told us that they capture the imagination of students irrespective of their background, their demographics, or their academic ability. We service a different school every week, and we reach up to 2,000 students annually.
We run BioEYES for both primary and secondary school students, and our whole program is aligned to the Australian and Victorian curriculum to ensure that the program is accessible and appropriate for all school levels.
Our team of BioEYES educators is culturally and gender diverse, which means that students can see firsthand that everyone is welcome in science and can pursue a future career in STEM.
A major aim of the BioEYES program has always been to inspire the next generation of scientists. And we know from our post-program evaluations that we can change perceptions of science in even the youngest of students. Our colleagues in secondary schools tell us that after completion of the BioEYES program, there's an increased number of students enrolling in VCE science subjects. And really excitingly, that also includes an increase in the number of girls wishing to do these subjects as well.
BioEYES puts trained scientific researchers into the classroom alongside students to answer their questions and guide them, and more importantly, be there as role models.
So the impact of BioEYES is huge. It fills a gap in science education that can't currently be filled at a school level alone.